no place to lay your head, to be caught in the web of indifference, be cast aside like you're just as dead, to be forgotten like the wind of yesterday, neglected and beaten and worn. The pain that you're feeling is just as real as the ground you're standing on. But it's not over now. This is not the end. You've been tossed and beaten up. You fought again. I know your heart's been torn. You say there's no point in carrying on. Race is not over. It's not over now. You're looked upon like the scum of society, yet they close their eyes to the strength of your pain. To be weighed by events or accomplishment, and be found lacking, well, it's to your shame. You've been forgotten like the wind of yesterday, neglected, beaten and worn. The pain that you're feeling is just as real as the breath you take with this song. But it's not over now. This is not the end. Let's